Welcome to my channel. What we're going to be talking about today is creating a YouTube banner in Canva. This is a free website you can use to create all kinds of digital artwork for free. So as you can see on my current YouTube page, the top banner really doesn't match. I redid my logo and now I want to redo the banner to just kind of update my site, and I'm making some changes to it, so that's what we're going to work on today. So first thing you need to do is pull up Canva. So here's the Canva website, canva.com. You need to sign in and create an account. It is free. They do have a paid version you can use where you can access more of their features, but I just use the free version. Next, you're going to want to scroll through this top area. Now, it has social media, events, marketing documents, as you can see. And you want to scroll over until you find YouTube art. If you can't find it, click into social media and it typically is there. So as you can see, you can make a lot of different posts here. Instagram story, animated social media, all that kind of stuff. So scroll over until you find YouTube channel art. Okay, so that'll bring you to this page right here. This is where you're going to design your banner. Now, they have a lot of templates they provide that you can use. And just kind of look through them and see if you find one that kind of fits. You know, let's say you have a food channel, you want to have something like that, put your name in it. You can also search the template, so you can type in something like music and it'll bring up like all the music theme ones, so you'll get a bunch of different choices there. Now the way you're going to go in and just change the name on something, let's do this food one. It's very busy and cool. You just delete it out, well, or, just, like that. And then add your channel name or whatever you want to write there. Maybe you want to write a phrase or a saying. And then you can really just save it unless you want to change something. So let's say you want to change on it. Let's say you want to change out let's say you don't like the background. Let's say that's too busy for you and you're like, I just want a stripe. Okay, that would be really simple. But you can change your color, right here. Pick a bunch of colors. You can choose the palette and move it around and see what looks the best. You can also change if the whole background was a color. Let's say I want to make the background a color. You just click on the background and then you just add a color. And let's say I want to change the font now. I'm like, okay, let's do something. So, you can just kind of look through them and just see what you like. You can kind of move stuff around too, like that. And let's say, like that. This is obviously not what I'm going to do for my channel. I'm just showing you some ideas. So let's say you don't like that one and you're like, I want something different. I'm doing kind of a desert. So it's going to bring in your thing, JJ. It's not, this font is very hard to read. I really don't like that. So let's say you like that and you just want to change your font. And then I'm doing a makeup, skincare, lifestyle. Well, that's not my channel, but you get an idea. Just add it in like that. You can add in more text by clicking on text here. Let's say you wanted to add another word. You can click on something that, And let's see what else is really important. So elements is another thing that's kind of cool. Let's say you wanted to do something, we should do something a little more plain. All right, let's say your channel is glow, all right? And you have a makeup channel. You go into elements and you type in makeup. This is where you can get more creative and design your own kind of template. And you want to have like a little heart back here. Oh, my JJ is still back there. You couldn't see it before because of the glow. So let's get rid of glow. You want to move this around and kind of have my name so you can see through it. Now, element, you can really do a lot of adjusting to. You can flip it. Well, this isn't a good one to show to flip, but you can do different effects and filter, You can do all kinds of things to play around with it. Then you can click on these different things. So if you want to have a little, let's say it's kind of hard to decide here. There's so many choices. Let's add a little bit of blue. Oh, we got a makeup brush on here too. Sometimes to click on an element, you have to move it. So this one's watermarked. I wouldn't want to use that one. Some of them are watermarked. So you want to have a little stripe down here. Maybe you see it on the TV, but you don't see it on the iPhone, okay? So you can kind of adjust the size. And it's just simple as that. You just play around in here. It's really easy. I'm gonna design one of my own right now. Okay, so here is the one I designed. I added in a little bit of my logo color for the logo I have on my YouTube, and kind of made it just kind of subtle. These might cut out some on the iPhone, but we can see what they look like. And when you're ready to download it, you just go to download. You can click a PNG, JPEG, different ones. I'm just gonna pick their suggested one. And then you download it and you just wait. Okay, so it is downloaded. Now I've got to go back to the YouTube channel and upload it. Unfortunately, on my app, on the YouTube app, I could not figure out how to edit the banner. It would let me edit my little logo, but it just wouldn't bring me to the banner. So I had to do it on my computer, but I did screenshot it real quick so you guys can see exactly what I did on my computer. You go into customize channel when you're on your YouTube channel. So you just click on that button right there, and it's gonna bring you to another page that looks like this. And here up at the top, it'll bring you to layout. You need to click on the branding button. When you click on the branding button, you'll see these two images, and it will let you change your profile picture, which that would let me do it on the phone. I'm not sure what was wrong with the banner or why it wouldn't. And then your banner image, you can change. When you hit change, you can upload the one that you made in Canva. So I want to tell you something that happened to mine when I uploaded it. It brings you to this page. It shows you what's viewable on the TV, viewable on the desktop, and viewable on devices. So you can kind of see where it grids off. Now, when you're actually doing this, you can click on each one and it'll show you the full picture. But what I noticed when I did it, you know how these were kind of more to the side. So I sort of moved these in more because there was nothing on viewable all devices. It was just my logo like that. So I just kind of scooted everything up really quick, and then I re-downloaded it and put it here. So if you want more stuff, this is where most people, let's face it, I think a lot of people view YouTube on their phone or tablet, and they don't really view it on, I mean, I watch it on my TV sometimes, but you know, I wanted to get enough little pictures in there that it was interesting. So let me show you my YouTube channel, and you'll see what it looks like up there on mine. So let me go to that. Okay, so there we go. That's how it looks like up here. I think it's kind of cool. It kind of goes with this. I may change it in the future, but that's what we have for now, and I like it. So thanks for watching. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe. I only have 52 subscribers right now, so it would really help my video out. And that's all. Please leave any questions you have, and I will try to answer them the best I can in the comments. Thanks.